Good morning, everyone. CoachNoni here. Today is July 30th, 2026. I have a little bit of technical problem, so instead of doing my laptop, I do in my cell phone today because I love you guys. I want to show this for you guys. I've been doing this for 4-5 takes now. Try to get that message out for you guys. Okay, let me share your screen for you. Okay, so we're gonna talk about how to pick the good stock today. So, the process of to invest in the stock, to do cover call and cash secure put, one of the process that we have to pick a good stock. Okay. I know that we can pick many stock and have many stock out there. You probably heard like so many names, right? But it's narrowed down to you don't want to trade. The last thing that you want to do is trade with emotional, like because you love something or because you don't like something, but go with the data. Okay. So all go with your goal, right? So not particularly, I have different goal. I probably have different goal than you do. But for this example, I just want to say, like, for example, right, this person have a goal that they want to collect high premium, right? And then they go, so we're going to go to pick the stock, right? So in this case, I picked Tesla for this person because why? This person have the capital to invest at least over, let's say, like about 30,000, right? And then you're gonna do some research about a company, right? Not just go by what I said, right? I'm not a financial advisor. I just do this for educational and entertainment purposes only. So do a little bit some research. This is not much, but I just do some highlight that Tesla, owned by the CEO is Elon Musk, is formed in year 2003. The fair market price of stock is about 450 per share. The stock that you want to pick to do this strategy particularly, you have to have market cap over 5 billion. And Tesla right now have 1.16 trillion. And the ticker of Tesla, if you want to trade, right, when you go to the broker or any broker that you use, to type TSLA. And then like this, type TSLA and they will come up like that, Tesla. Okay. So, and then like you can see, Tesla is growing company, right? Elon Musk do a lot of stuff. You can do some more research, but this is some article that I read that they say that they see the long-term profit goal for AI, but again, you can see for yourself, right? So, and the one thing that you want, one important question that you want to ask yourself that, are you happy if you own the Tesla stock company? Because the price is going to go up or go down, guys. It's not going to stay like this, right? But what you see in the future and what you want to invest in your company, if the answer yes, and you have the capital that you can invest, right? After you learn the skill, I suggest you guys to learn the skill first before you hop in. Let's say in this case, because the market up and down, I'm going to use the market price in this case for 303.88, okay? Most people, if you don't know how to learn this strategy, they're going to go right out and buy, right? 100 share or anything or a share, but they're going to pay 303.88 cents per share, right? But not us, because we learn how to do cash secure put. So what we'll do is we will go, I already do some homework for you, okay? We're going to pick the date of expiration on 8/28. So we all get 28. You want to pick between 30 day to 45 day. In this case, I have 29 day in August 28th. The strike price at 280 and the delta is about 0.29. You want to pick the delta below 30. Okay. And it's gonna cost us about 28,000. But premium per share is 835. So that means you collect 835 in your pocket. It doesn't matter what outcome right now. The market price gonna go up or go down. Okay. And see what happened after expiration date, after 8/28 or the same day, the price go over 280. Let's say the price is like 300 or something, right? So you keep 875, and then the broker will give you back $28,000 that they hold from you for collateral, right? Because they need to know, hey, because you tell them, right, hey, I want to buy this if the price is below 280. Basically, that's what you told them. So if the price go below 280, you got a sign. So it's not the end of the world. You got a sign. Remember the first question that I told you that you had to ask yourself, do you want to own this company or not? So if the price go below 280, basically you get a sign and you can start to do cold call. If you don't know how to do cold call, you can do some research, study it. And, I also have the free resource at the YouTube education video. You can go look, or you can purchase my book. I also have the book about a cold call called Get Paid Weekly. And another tip that I want to emphasize that for example, if you have the portfolio size of $10,000, you probably want to put like a size 60% to do that strategy. You don't want to put it all in, right? So, for example, you have the capital like $10,000. You want to set $6,000 aside to do cash secure put or cover call. So that's what I will do. Again, it's just suggestion, right? And let's go to jump to the broker. If you use the Robinhood, so what you do, right? So you, first of all, you pull out the ticker over here, TSLA, tie in there. And then in the right side over there, you can hit trade Tesla option. You gotta make sure trade Tesla option, right? And then I want to be sure that I pick the cover call, because sometimes I have so many buttons. No, not the cat cover call. Sorry, guys. See, I do call and I do put sometimes. Make sure you put cash secure put, okay? And remember, we have to pick the date. We pick the expiration date. With the cash secure put, you want to be like about 30 or 45 day out. Like we talked about, we're going to pick August 28, 29 day. And we already do the homework for you, right? And we talked about this before. What are we going to pick? We're going to pick with the 280. I'll go way down here because I don't see. Sorry, guys. Put 280. So you go ahead and pick 280. This I do on my laptop, by the way. And you can also do on your phone. So if you have one contract with Tesla, if you want to start cash secure put, you're going to earn 835 for what we talk about 29 days, right? Like about a month, right? And again, it's might be not much, right? But if the more year you invest, right, you get to earn equivalent your share to 5 contracts. So there's your 5 contract, you collect the premium 4,175 per month. Okay, so there's 5 contracts. But like I say, one contract go back. So you can start with one contract first, so if you're a newbie, so you collect 835. Okay, so this is step by step to when you go in there. And I don't, you know me, if you follow me for a while, I will end up pray for you guys or share the wisdom. So the wisdom from the word of God today that I want to share is from Proverbs 4:5. Okay. God said, get wisdom, get understanding. Do not forget my word or turn away from them. And may the Lord bless you guys. So the monad in the end is, if you stay all the way until the end of the video, guys, thank you so much. And thank you for your support always. For the people who like and subscribe, if you don't like and subscribe yet, please do that. And then exciting news that I want